This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Trevor Seaton Thomas. Beautiful 4-bedroom home in the desired Winter Garden Fuller's Cross community. Home features an open floor plan with a formal living room, formal dining room, separate office with double doors, a combination kitchen and dining room as well as a large family room. There is also a split floor plan with a master bedroom on one side and 3 bedrooms and a den/sitting area on the other. This home has a 2-car garage, beautiful exterior paint and a professionally, well-manicured lawn. With a large fenced backyard and screened patio, this home is a must-see. For more information, review the details below.